Hey everyone. In this video, we will talk about the bookmarks feature in Power BI. So let's start. I've got this file open here with me, and I'll also upload this file to GitHub so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So Power BI is a great tool for data analysis. Let's say you're doing some form of data analysis and you hit a point where you really like or want to save that particular state of the dashboard. You can use the bookmark feature for that. So let's start. For example, let me just activate that first. So I'll go to the View tab and I'll click on the Bookmarks pane. And let's say I'm analyzing my data and I see that, I'll just click on United States, and all it does is it shows me United States sale over the years and by product name. And I like the state and I want to save it so I can go back to somebody else and show them how it looked like. So I can create a bookmark. So when I toggle this or click this, this becomes available to me, and I can add a bookmark, and I can call this US data. And so and let's say now I'm going to take the filter out completely, and let's say now I start doing my data analysis and I look at data for let's say specifically 2013, and you can see that it's showing me data by 2013 and how sales have been and how each of the country has contributed. And maybe I want to save this, so I can add another bookmark here, and I can call it 2013 maybe, and so on. So let's say I go back to somebody in sales and I want to show them the sales data. So I've got this. All I go is and I go to my bookmark and click that, and you can see that automatically it's just showing me the US sales. Or I go to 2013 and it's showing me sales by 2013. So let's say when you're doing some form of data analysis, or when you're going through your report, you discover something that you want to save and share with other people, you can create bookmarks for that. So this is a really useful feature, and I hope you find this video useful. And thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.